Hi guys.
Hello.
Okay, so my name is Yemisi and
Michelle.
Okay, so we're back again. Happy New Year, guys. So we're back with the Gele series. So Michichi, as a slayer that she is here to teach us how to tie Gele on ourselves. So because one of the things we did last year was we were doing more Auto Gele, and we realized that a lot of people were watching but they wanted to tie it for themselves. So this time around we're like, okay, you know what, let's just be easy to tie Geles, and then you can actually watch and learn and tie yourself, because that's the goal of this. So today we're going to be doing unconventional styles. So unconventional style is jaga jaga ururu, and then it comes out nice. So I know some people are excited about it. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to start with myself because this is the guru of the Gele. So so first thing first, the fabric I'm using is Aso Oke, but it's called
Crown text.
So crown text is the type that is like netty and very easy to maneuver. I'm going to start with my own style first, and then move on to a very more complicated style. So this is it in square. So this is it. So this actually is 75. Yes. So it's easier to tie for factory workers. So first thing first, I'm going to make some pleat. So I'm going to divide it into 3. That's 1, 2, like 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm going to divide it into 3. So I'm just going to use the first half to do my what's called layering, or my pleats. So I'm just going to go in with 3 pleats. So let me show you how I'm going to do that. So this is 1. Okay. That's 1. Then this is 2. Last 1. 3. So I'm going to go all the way so I can have it around my head. Okay, so this is what we have now. I've pleated 4. Then I try to pleat it. It's a gradual process. It's not something just So put it on your leg or on the table and then try to make it all the way. So I bring it forward like this. So I'm not going to do equal halves. So this is not as long as this. Can you see? This is not so long. This is longer. Can you see? So I want the layers to still show. Okay, that's it. So I'm going to just knot it, like turn it like this. Can you see this style too? The layer is there. So okay, the long one. So I'm just going to twist now. Can you see? Just going to twist it. Make sure that it's firm. So and then it meets in the middle. Just twist it like that, and then voila, that's it. Then so from here now, you can notice that I have my hair packed up in the bun. That's because I have dread also. So I have packed up in the bun. So you can do whatever you want to do. If you're going to use a wig, pack it up. Anything you're going to do, just make sure you pack it up. So and then I go. So here I just leave this one, and then I just take this one like that. I can still pleat if I want to, but if you don't want to pleat, you can just take it back. Like just make sure that it's neat. And then something like that. But if someone like Michelle is tying this one, she's a guru. She would slay. So this is what you have. So I'm not doing my. You can twist plenty hair. So you see, she was saying you can actually twist, but I don't want to twist it because twisting looks very like every other. I just want to have a bit of what's it called, bite. So what I was going to do is I'm just going to see if I can quickly just tuck it a little bit so that this hand is secure at that side. Like that. Then I'll come back to it. Okay. So this one now, actually saw this Gele on Toke, so I'm like, okay, let's see if I can try. So this one, okay. Wow. I have a mirror here, that's why I'm looking at this side. So I have a mirror on that side, so I'm using to correct. So this is what we have for that side. This is what we have for that side, and then I'm going to have this side just pleat a bit like that. It doesn't necessarily have to be like this if you don't want it. You can even twist it if you want to. Then this one, just make some like roses or whatever works for you. So, but you need pins. You need pin to pin it. So I'm going to use pin in between. Let me just I can see what I'm doing.
And this color is so fitting.
Yes, I like the blue. Okay.
Yeah, perfect.
Hey.
So
See?
nice.
It's not only. Eh.
Sorry.
So another pin. Okay. So
Wow.
so this is what we have. So
So fine.
Michi! This is my unconventional style. So what I did, like I said, we measured the gele straight up. We divided it into 3. 1, 2, 3. Let me use this one as illustration. So what I did with this gele, how I achieved this style, let me quickly do a recap. So we had this blue gele. What I did was I divided it into 3. That's 1, 2, and then 3. You get? So I started with the first half like that, and then I pleated it. I had like 3 or 4 pleats, and then once I was done with my pleats, I took it from back to forward, and then I crossed it. And then once I crossed it, then I twisted it to form this knot. So once I twisted it, I took the other half, which was the shorter one, to the back, and then I took the longer one and I did all this root to the answer with pin. And then after I keep this with pin, I just, if you cannot tie it by yourself, you know, you can hold it and ask somebody to tie for you. Do you understand? So it's a bit neat. So if you can't tie for yourself, you can just tell somebody to please get it to the back, hold it, and let somebody tie for you, and then it looks a lot neater. Because the whole idea of this gele is it's not it doesn't have a particular way it looks, but it must be neat, it must be tidy and very firm. So it's very firm and very neat. Like I said, I have dreadlocks on, so my dread is just popping through, you know, hey guys, and then that's it. So thank you guys. I'm done with my own conventional style. Let's have Michi tie our own gele now.
Okay.
This is almost the same thing like the one I have.
The super net.
Yeah, it's funny. So let's go.
Okay, I'm folding into 2 equal parts. So I'm just going to pleat 1 inch inwards and then pleat up. So I'm okay with this. So I'm just going to turn it over. This is the pleat. So okay. Then gently arrange the pleats. Okay, most times when I'm tying on my hair, I like knotting at the back, so I will have the easy access to arrange to my taste. So you can open up and then knots. So I'll take this shorter one, cross over, and then bring it out on the, because it's going this way, so it has to come over. If you don't want to knot, you can. But I love to knot so it will be firm. So now it's firm, I can just do arrange. Can you see the plates? So it's firm enough. So the last thing is I'm going to be working on this part first. So remember to always stick.
To shove forward on the
So I'm taking this bit and the last bit. Just make sure the pin is hiding. So this is the pin. glue so I can start creating my pleats. So I've arranged the things to and these things where I can start working. So this is what I have. So for this, I'll take the front with my so I'm just going to divide this from this part because I want to tie. And I take this, I divide this too. Get to the end. Then, okay. So I'm not in it. So try and take it to the back to complete your knots. So if you still have excess, you can pin to this point. So now I'm done with the knotting. I can now arrange these parts. I'm just dragging out to half.
It pops on like that pleat. It's lost.
So
Just turn towards me.
So I'm done arranging these parts. So for this now, I could decide to start doing my all-round work.
Oh, okay. Okay, alright then.
Just make sure you secure it.
So that's it. That's it, guys. It's not easy, but
it's not easy, but it's doable.
okay, turn a bit. Okay. Good.
It's so firm, like it's firm. Okay, so I'm using 50-50 from the back. So I try and not it. So after knotting, I just take the regular pattern. I can decide to just pin up this way. You can make pleats just the way it was done at the front. So you take it to the back. So nothing. So I'll just take like this. Create a bow tie kind of look. Can you see? This that really has to be on. This really has to be on. See? Wow. So you can now open up your bow tie. So try and make it neat. So you can decide to
You cannot actually form anything from it. Especially when it's actually allows you to play around. So, I'm pulling it. Turn the bow back. Let's see the bow back here. So that's it. Okay. Okay. Yes. Yes, sir. So, okay. We are done. Okay. Yes. I'm trying to finish up my own to form the style, but you know, I have it like this. So let me just twist. Let me just twist and turn. I'm already tired. So, I mean, this is also another style, unconventional. I couldn't get the book because this was actually way smaller than this. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll be back with another video. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can follow us on our Instagram and she's at me. Yeah. She is
Mishi Beauty Lounge.
Okay, so I am Miss Kana. So I'm going to give it in the information description box below so you can actually follow us. She's going to have a training in January, and then she's also available for your private classes. You will have private classes or a class for 4, a class for 5. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and then you can
Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Bye.